Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'm showing you what the Uber app is and how to use it. Let's get started. Uber is a ride-hailing app that connects you with your nearby drivers so you can get from A to B without calling a taxi. You'll see an upfront price, estimated arrival time, and the driver's name, photo, car model, and license plate before the ride starts. It works in many cities worldwide and offers different ride options like Uber X, Comfort, and XL. Now to get started, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Uber on your search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Once open, sign up with your phone number or email, then enter the verification code, add a payment method, card, digital wallet or cash in some regions, turn on location permissions so Uber can find you automatically. On the home screen, Uber suggests your pickup. Tap to adjust the pin or type an address. In the where to box, type your destination. You can also add up to 2 extra stops. Then to choose a ride, swipe through ride options UberX, Comfort, XL, etc. Check the upfront price, ETAs, and any notes like luggage space. Pick the one that fits your group and budget. To review payment and promo, tap your payment method to switch cards or wallets. Tap promotions to add a promo code if you have one. Then to request the ride, tap confirm or request. You'll see a driver being matched. Once matched, verify the details on screen: driver name, photo, car make, model, and license plate. Wait at the pin location. When the car arrives, take the plate and car model. They must match the app. Then in settings, then during the ride, you'll see the route, ETA, and fare details on your screen. Use the bottom bar to message call the driver at a stop or change destination. Tap the safety toolkit to share tip status with friends, family, or to access emergency options. At the end, the app shows your total. Rate your driver 1 to 5 stars. Leave a comment if helpful and tip if you'd like. Your receipt and route are saved under activity trips. Then if you left something, open the trip in activity trips. Find lost item to contact driver about your belongings. And that is all about Uber app. I hope you guys like this video. Like if it did, and comment down if you have any questions. In the next video. Bye.